Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button. Got a Dollar Tree craft. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. Okay, so we got a Dollar Tree craft to do today. And it's kind of similar to one of the other Dollar Tree crafts that we've done. But it's a little different. See these? These are a wall decal. It's a peel and stick. And I just thought that this might be cool on an ornament. So we're going to take a Christmas tree ornament was what I was thinking. And I want to do both sides this time so that it can actually be hung up as an ornament. I think it's kind of pretty as is. I'm not even sure I'm going to want to paint or pretty much embellish it more than that. I think the gold and the white, Victoria's totally into gold and white. So this might be fun to make a little ornament for her tree this year. Let's just try it and see. We're going to just try it and see what happens because that's why I bought this. And I bought one. I bought a bunch of these because in a package, you get like 10 of these, I think. And then you get one of these for $1.25. So I'm going to do the front and the back of this using the wall decal. But let me get you switched around so that you can see what I'm doing. Okay, here it is, right down on the work surface. I saw, when I was looking at these earlier, I saw how this kind of has like its little movement and shape, little geometric part with its little like scripty scrolly design in there. And what I wanted to do was line up the tree like right there, because I can do that over here as well for the other side, and then they'll match on both sides. But to do that, what I'm going to do is take my Sharpie and trace it, and then I'll have to cut the whole design out. So I'm just going to hold it down real tight and just trace around it here. All right, there's our first outline of a tree. And I don't know, I flipped it over, but okay, flip it over. And then we're going to put it, see, I've got the same design right here where the base of the tree kind of fits between those two swooshes. So I'm going to put the tree right there. Line it up and trace it out again. Ta-da! All right. And now, I mean, this is pretty much just a hair thicker than contact paper. So it's just going to be regular scissors that I'm using to cut it out. I don't think we need to do anything too crazy. I'm sure you could do an X-Acto knife, but why? It's just like cardstock. That's what it feels like. Okay, one side. That's going to be the design then. I think it looks cute. I think it looks cute. Now we cut the other side out. How boring for you. All right. Our second one is cut out. Let's get rid of that. Which one needs that now? I am absolutely going to use extra decoupage glue. Decoupage glue to hold this in place. Let's see. Do I want to punch a hole in it first? Let's see. No. Just wait till it's all together. Okay. Put some glue on there. I want to get a lot on there. Now I'm going to peel this off. And it does have a texture in the back. Do you see it? It has a slight texture like the other piece, but I don't know. I don't think I'd trust this on anything really. I think that's gonna be that. Okay, and let's get the other side on. And then we're gonna peel this off. Oh, didn't peel. Shelf paper. Okay, I'm gonna put a weight on this. I'm gonna put something heavy on top of it, maybe the decoupage container to hold it down so that both pieces get stuck on there. Here, let's do this. I got this piece of corrugated cardboard here. That would have made a nice clean surface for you guys to look at. Didn't do it though, did I? All right, let's leave that there and put something heavy on top of it. Okay. Weigh it down with some paint. Now it should be good to go. Come back after that's dry and we'll take a look at it, and then I might do a little bit of embellishment. Okay, it is dry and it flattened out quite nicely, and I'm going to do a little embellishment with some glitter. And what I want to do is Mod Podge all the way around the edges. So let's see. Oh, this Mod, I forgot to clean this brush. I keep doing that. Well, I'm gonna use it up. So I'm gonna take this and put a pretty generous coating right here on the edges. Yes, I should mix the glitter and do my little trick, but I'm not gonna. So I'm in a bit of a rush today. I'm gonna just dump it. Gonna make a huge mess in here. I'm gonna have the glitter cancer everywhere. This makes it look like snow on the tree. It also serves a purpose of covering up what's left of the pen that is hiding out in little spots here. The Sharpie, and we are going to use the shaker side here. We're going to coat it good. Okay. Let that sit for a hot second and get glued on there. Oh, put that. Oh, I have to clean that off. Oh, now I'm gonna have glitter on my face. I'm gonna clean the gold off here. There it is. The glitter looks pretty. I'm going to do the other side as well. Okay. Then I will have to punch the hole. I have to clean all this up first, too. I don't even know where the hole is. I think I'm going to let this dry before I try this. Hang on, let me just clamp this with the clamp. Let that sit and let the glitter dry. While that dries, I'm going to clean up my mess here and try and wash this brush out. And there it is, our pretty little Dollar Tree ornament made with, you know, a little glitter, little mod. By the way, they said glitter, Mod Podge, this, and the little wooden thing, all right there at Dollar Tree. So you could have accomplished this for like glitter, $5. And you could make more than one. You're like, oh, great, this one little ornament for $5. No, it's a whole package of ornaments. And you can use the Mod Podge and the glitter on more than just this. So you're not just getting this. But I think it turned out super cute. I like the little gold. I like the gold and the white. So that's my Christmas craft, my Dollar Tree Christmas craft for the day. Thanks for watching, you guys. If you haven't yet gotten one of your Happy Junkin' shirts, don't forget to click the links below. It supports me and the channel, and I appreciate everybody who's gotten theirs. And if you would like to send me a thrift flip challenge or anything else you want to send me, you can mail that to the P.O. Box. Just no creepy mail. If you'd like to join our vintage reseller mastermind group, you can click those links below. You have to request access and fill out some questions. It's pretty quick process, so you just agree to not be a bully. Pretty simple. And if you would like to buy me a coffee, Cozy Girl Fun half a tank, you can do that as well. It's like Patreon without the monthly commitment. Thanks for watching, you guys. I always appreciate it. Happy Junkin'. Bye! Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week, DIY tutorials, and of course,